What's the meaning of common rat? Common rat. Common rat.
Common rat. Common rat. A common rat refers to the brown or black rat, which is a species of rodent found worldwide. These rats are known for their sharp teeth and long tails. They are considered pests and can cause damage to homes and crops. Common rats can also carry diseases that can be harmful to humans and pets. Due to their adaptability and ability to reproduce quickly, they are difficult to control and are often considered a nuisance. Overall, the term common rat refers to a prevalent and problematic species of rodent found in many parts of the world.